everybody, it's Deeki, and welcome back to another iMovie tutorial. On today's agenda, we're going to be doing a short recap like we always do. We're then going to jump in and talk about some audio effects in iMovie, and then I'm going to discuss some of my favorite audio effects to use. So let's get right into the video. If you don't know the basics of iMovie, then please go watch my first 4 iMovie tutorials, and those should get you all caught up on what you need to know. So I saved a picture and some audio to go with it to my computer and dragged it out onto iMovie. I'll leave the links to these in the description so you can follow along with me. So here's how it looks. See, I've already added a fade out. If you don't know how to do this, then please go watch my second iMovie tutorial. We're going to click on this button, and it takes us to the effects page. In our previous tutorial, we talked about clip filters and video filters, but in this video, we're going to focus on audio effects. To choose an audio effect, you're going to click on the audio and click on audio effect. Then this whole array of these cool different audio effects pops up. I'm going to be going over all of them and how they sound. So the muffled effect gives the audio an effect that there's something blocking the noise. There's something covering it up. And I think that's pretty cool if you're adding a retro feel or you're trying to give the audio some character. Here's how it sounds. Very subtle. A robot is pretty straightforward. It adds a screechy, robot-like, deep tone to the audio. I'm actually not sure when you would want to use the robot effect, but I'll just show you how it sounds. So the next effect is Cosmic. Cosmic is very, very interesting. It adds another sci-fi tone to it, and it's pretty awesome. As you can see, it sort of affects the tone and pitch as well. Echo delay is adding an echo to the sound. So let's say that the audio sounded like do. The echo delay would make it do, 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 do. So here's how it sounds. That's actually really cool. I'm going to skip the next 3 in this row, but feel free to play around with those if you'd like. The entire next row of effects are all based off of room sizes. So if you're in a small room, there's not going to be much of an echo, it's not going to be as deep, as loud, but as the room size increases, there's going to be a bigger reverb or a bigger echo. I'm just going to compare small room and cathedral. Here's how small room sounds. And here's how cathedral sounds. As you can see, there's a huge difference between them. So go ahead and try out medium room and large room. So the next row of effects are all decreasing the pitch by a certain amount. Pitch down 1 is decreasing or lowering the pitch by 1, and pitch down 2 is lowering it by 2. So let's say there's a video of you talking and your voice sounds a bit too high. You can add a pitch down effect to make your voice sound a bit deeper and darker. Pitch up is the opposite. It makes your voice lighter, airier, and brighter. Here's how pitch up 2 sounds. That was pretty cool. So now I'm going to show you how to add harmony to your audio using a few small clicks. So you're going to take your audio, copy it using Control-C, or right-clicking on it and clicking on copy. Then you're going to move your cursor to the beginning of the video and click there. Then you're going to do Control-V, and that pastes the audio. Now you can select a different effect for the copied audio. I'm going to make it pitch down 2, and it's going to make a really cool harmony. Since iMovie only lets you have one audio or one video effect at a time, this is a great workaround. Just copy and paste the audio underneath it and change the effect. I hope this video was helpful in teaching you a bit about iMovie audio effects. Make sure to keep on eating donuts, subscribe to my channel, and like this video for more content.